Platform 1 for the delayed 07:33 Chiltern Railways service to Newcastle. Calling at Wembley Stadium, Northolt Park, South Ruislip, West Ruislip, Denham, Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princes Risborough, Haddenham and Tame Parkway, Bicester North, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Warwick, Warwick Parkway, Dorridge, Solihull, Acox Green, Tyseley, Birmingham Moor Street, Birmingham Snow Hill, Smethwick Colton Bridge, Rowley Regis, Cradley Heath, Starbridge Junction, Hagley, Blakedown, Kidderminster, Hartlebury, Droitwich Spa, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link, Great Malvern, Colwall, Ledbury, Hereford, Leominster, Ludlow, Craven Arms, Shrewsbury, Telford Central, Wolverhampton, Walsall, Bloxwich North, Landywood, Cannock, Rudgley Town, Rudgley Trent Valley, Stafford, Winsford, Hertford, Acton Bridge, Liverpool South Parkway, Liverpool Lime Street, Warrington Central, Manchester Victoria, Ashton-under-Lyne, Staley Bridge, Mossley, Greenfield, Huddersfield, Deaton, Mirfield, Ravensthorpe, Dewsbury, Batley, Morley, Cottingley, Leeds, Crossgates, Garforth, East Garforth, Church Fenton, York, Darlington, Durham and Newcastle. Due to short platforms, customers for Denham should travel in the front 3 coaches of the train. Customers for Northolt Park and South Ruislip should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Customers for Wembley Stadium should travel in the front 5 coaches of the train. Customers may request to stop at Wembley Stadium, Northolt Park, South Ruislip, West Ruislip, Denham, Princes Risborough, Acox Green, Tyseley, Hartlebury, Craven Arms, Winsford, Hertford, Acton Bridge, Deaton, Mirfield, Ravensthorpe, Batley, Morley, Crossgates, Garforth, East Garforth or Church Fenton by contacting the conductor on board the train. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 1 for the delayed 07:33 Chiltern Railways service to Newcastle.